Hello, I hope everyone is doing well. Welcome back to another session. So today we have a little bit of a different session. We're going to be creating cards or postcards for Project We Care. We'll explain a bit more during the session today, but the cards or postcards that you make today will be going in care kits for those in need in Greater Montreal. We'll need the same things as usual. So a paintbrush, a piece of paper or the card that was in your kit, tissue, water, paints, and a bit of spare paper. So for today, we'll go through 3 different types of paintings that you can do. The first will be balloons, the second will be sunshine, and the third will be a potted plant. So you can pick and choose which of these you'll do. So we'll go through the 3 a little bit more quickly than during our usual sessions. For the balloon, we will start by picking a color and drawing almost a circle. Then make sure to leave a little section that is white on the page. So don't fill in this area with whatever color you chose. I picked yellow. I thought it was cheerful, but you can do any color you would like. Then just mix in water with your color to fill in the balloon. Once you're happy with the shape, you can take a bit more concentrated of your color, so use less water, and add it around the outside where it is still a bit wet. Finally, we will add a little tie to the balloon by taking a darker color at the bottom, again, less water, to just do where the balloon is tied. For the string, you can pick any color. I wanted a dark black mixed with brown, but it really doesn't matter. You can practice to make it as thin as you'd like on the spare paper, and then draw one quick line coming from the balloon. Now, if you're happy with this for the card, that's perfectly fine, or you can add different balloons like I'll show quite quickly here. It's the same idea, just pick a new color that you would like. If your painting is dry, this works even better, but if it's wet, you can always touch up where the color bleeds by waiting until it's dry and going over it with your brush. Now you know something I like to do is to splatter a bit of paint for some more color on a painting like this. So you can take water along with any color you'd like. I chose the 3 colors of the balloons and tap, tap, tap. You can do this with all of the colors until you're happy with how the card looks. If you're doing more than one and the color of your water looks a bit like mine, I recommend just getting a fresh cup of water, because our second painting will be sunshine, so a lot of different yellows. This one starts very similarly to the balloon. So take some yellow and do a circle in the middle of the card. It doesn't have to be perfect. Just make sure to fill it in using lots of water and yellow where you would like it. For a bit of dimension, you can take a darker color of yellow, like I have here, and dab it around the outside to bleed in to the rest of the paint. Finally, we're going to make the sunshine look like a smiling face. So you can make the cheeks look a bit rosy, like they've been out in the snow. So take pink and just put little dots where the cheeks will be. We're going to fix this up at the end, so don't be too perfect about it now. Now for the rays of sunshine. You can pick a corner to start at, draw one line and another one that spreads out just like this, and fill it in. Now you can take a mix of the light yellow, the dark yellow, whatever you would like. They could be different colors, but just be careful if you pick multicolor, so different colors for each of the rays of sunshine, it might bleed into the center. So I might recommend sticking with yellow for today, leaving a little bit of space between each ray of sunshine. As you can see, I flipped the paper around so that it was easier to get to wherever I was doing the ray of sunshine. You can do this too if you find it helps. Now we'll fix up the rosy cheeks and let this dry. for our final option, we are going to paint a potted plant. So start by getting a brown color, so brown or black or even this very dark yellow that I have. Mix them all together to do a loose pot. Notice I left just a little bit of blank card behind to make it look like there is light reflecting off of the potted plant. Once you're happy with the shape, you can take some different colors of brown, the dark brown in one corner, the light brown in another, to make some shapes. Now for the leaves, I just want you to have fun. So take whatever color green you have and just draw little dots like this, but leave space because we're going to add a different color of green after. So once you've done a couple like this, we'll switch to a different color. I then took a darker green and dabbed it around like this. Now the next step will be to add a bit of a stem. So take a dark color like a dark brown and just draw a few little lines like the stem of the shrub. Finally, I added a few more leaves with a different color of green until I was happy with how it looked. You can take the color of green or any color, mix it with some water, and do a wash of color at the bottom so that we can write a nice message to whomever is getting the care package. So there you have it, a shrub, some balloons, or a sunshine. Then the last step, which we can do together during the session, is to write something on the card. So you can see here, I drew a smile on the sunshine and thinking of you with the shrub. So we can get creative today with whatever message you would like to write to the person receiving the care package. I hope you enjoy.